Hello, today I will show you how you can pull off a very funny Windows XP prank. First of all, navigate to geekedprank.com and now you have the Windows XP in here in your browser. But to emphasize it even more, press the F11 key and now it looks like a full-fledged Windows XP system, and it actually quite is. You can click around and go to the internet here, go to my recent documents and all the things, and when people come back, let's say you do this on a PC that is in idle mode and you gain access to it ethically, or maybe you borrow some friend's PC and put this on their PC, or just navigate to this website as it is. And then when they come back, they might get confused. Why is this happening? Where's my real Windows version or edition that I'm using? And that's just very funny. And that's why I thought I would share it with you. Hope the video can do something for you and has enlightened you to become a prank master for easy pranks. See you later.